How to check your Imo Call history on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find all your past calls on Imo in just a few taps. First, open the Imo app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Contacts tab at the top right of the screen. From there, you'll see a Call History option. Tap on it to see full list of all your recent calls, including incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. At this point, tap on any call in the list to see more details about it. It will show you the contact name, call duration, and the date and time of the call. From here, if your call history isn't showing up properly, try force stopping the app. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Imo and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop and confirm. Then reopen Imo and check your call history again. Here's an important note. Imo only stores call history for a limited period. Older calls may no longer be visible in your history, so make sure to check regularly if you need to keep track of your calls. And that's it. If this guide helped you check your Imo call history, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.